Hey guys, just want to tell you a little bit about what SEO means. For those people who want to find out about search engine optimization. So basically, it's the practice of optimizing websites and web pages to improve their visibility and ranking in search engine result pages. Um, the goal of SEO is to increase organic um, non-paid traffic to a website by making it more relevant and appealing to search engines. Okay, so search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and quality of websites and web pages when someone enters a search query. SEO involves various techniques and strategies to optimize a website's content structure and overall online presence to align with these algorithms and improve its chances of ranking higher in search engines. Okay, so basically, it's about it contains both on-page and off-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing elements directly on the website, such as meta tags, headings, content, images, and URL structure. It also includes improving the website's loading speed, mobile friendliness, and user experience. Okay, off-page optimization focuses on improving a website's reputation and authority in the eyes of search engines. This is typically done through link building, which involves acquiring high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. Off-page optimization also includes social media marketing, online reputation management, and other promotional activities conducted outside the website itself. Finally, effective SEO requires ongoing monitoring, analysis, and adjustments to adapt to changing search engine algorithms and user behavior. It is a long-term strategy that aims to build sustainable organic traffic and increase the visibility and credibility of a website or online business.